Energy is everywhere. I am Samir Kale from Central India. I live at Bhopal. I have my own center, Omni Holistic Center there, working with different energy systems. Energy is around our body, inside our body. Two kinds are important in our case. First is universal form of energy, that is yang energy, and it is controlled by our four upper chakras. First is crown, then third eye, throat chakra and heart chakra. Yang energy is also known as the father energy or universal energy. Second is yin energy, that is energy of the earth, and it is controlled by the three lower chakras. Yeah? These two kinds of energy are necessary to keep us completely fit and energetic. If there is any imbalance of any one of these energies in our body, we feel sometimes destroyed, we feel sometimes lethargic. Yeah? And to regain the energy, Omni system what we introduce is the best way I found, because whatever we eat, whatever we drink, whatever are our basic activities, through them some energy is exhausted, and to regain this energy level, Omni helps a lot, because it is already in our body and we are channeling this energy through our energy centers by way of some different exercises, keeping our hands on the positions. For example, if I feel exhausted on my heart, then I keep my hands on the heart chakra to regain the energy here. Like that, if I keep my hands on my eyes, I am working for central nervous system in a way. So it's very easy to use to activate. Only thing is, one has to become an energy channel with this particular energy, and there is a one process through which one has to go through, that is attunement or initiation process. We do the all personal initiations. We just look through your chakras, aura, energy field, and accordingly what you exactly need, accordingly we do the initiation in Omni system. Yeah, that is the uniqueness of Omni. Even if you have some negative energy inside, even if you have some blockages, we first clear those off and then we do the initiation. So when you get the initiation, you are always pure and safe. No negative energy can come inside your chakras then in future. So from that part, we just make you completely safe, that you have only the positive energy and you can work only with the positive energy for the betterment of society. As we simplified the Omni system with the help of some symbols and mantras, so it becomes very easy and it doesn't take long time like Reiki system, and Omni takes hardly 10 to 15 minutes if you want to cover the whole body session for one person. Omni not only works for you, but it changes life, as I feel for myself. My whole life was changed. I was working in the field of homeopathy, then meditations, then yoga, and I was also working as a grandmaster of Usui Reiki, Karuna Reiki, Oshonyo Reiki, but when I met with my guides and gurus and they introduced the Omni system, I feel now I am completely changed what I was that time. My behavior, my temperament, my emotions, everything became very pure and energetic. I feel more energetic now. As far as the decision making is concerned, I have a better insight. I can see the things from different aspects in my life. So Omni has given me the many things, then why not you? And this is the only message I want to convey through this interview to all people of the world, that if something is there to benefit you in a very short period of time, then why not we should get the benefit of it.